Good evening everyone. Today I would like to start with a small story of myself. In 2012, when I left my permanent job, I used to often get asked by a question. How can you live based on your trading? How can you survive with the trading income? Etc. etc. But believe me, I never left hope. Yes, I had to struggle a lot to convince them. I had to struggle a lot to make myself as a winner. But gradually when it inculcated in myself that yes, I can survive, I can make my bread and butter based on my trading income, things are looking little comfortable and easier to me. This video is all about to motivate all those new traders or would-be traders to come and participate in the real time trading. The topic I am going to discuss today is to where and how to create your option portfolio, because you need to monitor it, you need to manage it, you need to churn your regular income from it. So there should be some place where you can keep your entire option portfolio for monitoring. I'll come to the point later on. Before that, let me describe you something. Unlike the other professions, unlike the other business, this business has got some unique features. In the other business, people have a sales value, people have a sales target, people have got product, people have got services. But in this business, there is nothing of that sort. It's completely intangible form of asset. When you buy something, when you sell something, only you know what is going to happen for that. Not the other people are aware of this fact. So from the outsider, it doesn't have that impression in mind that this is a business where really it is working or not, because they are not aware of what is happening inside. If any salesman is selling a product or any serviceman is giving the service to the person, so that can be assessed and there is a magnitude of work they are performing. But in this form of business, as a trader, only you know what is happening inside. You know what is your portfolio, you know when to exit, you know when to enter, you know where to cut your losses, you know where to book your profit. So you are the sole responsible for your own work. So that's why I am calling it the financial freedom. Financial freedom means complete liberation from financial dependence on others and completely free from corporate bureaucracy, corporate red tapeism, nepotism, favoritism, all this stuff. So you can exercise your own will, you can do things on your own priority, and you can set your own goal and achieve it month after month. So that's why I'm calling it as a financial freedom. Like all other businesses, a trader also should have a business plan or income plan or trading plan, whatever you can call. The plan is set to make it achieve month after month or year after year, depending on his requirement. Suppose a trader has got a plan to achieve 50% profit in a year. So that can be divided into month, and month wise he has to go on achieving it so that he can accumulate it till the end of the year, the set target. Target achievement is only successful if you follow rules and regulations, set a limit for a stop loss, take the profit out whenever you feel that you are comfortable with. These rules are mandatory to be maintained for any trader. And the most important part is you don't need to be so greedy in the market so that whatever you earn month after month, you will be losing in a single month. Keep your target, achieve it, exit it, and go for next month. Suppose you have a target to earn your regular income from the stock market or option market. So go for it, set a complete plan first, then try to break it down into small portions and then work on this. In today's video, I am going to discuss with you how to create an overall plan and how to create a monthly income from the plan or yearly income. And if I divide it into small portions, how much capital needs to be poured into that particular plan and how much capital needs to be preserved for trade management for the same purpose. Plan is mandatory because without plan you do not know where you are going to land. So you need to have a destination where you want to reach. You just cannot go on trading and earning money from the market. One bad day will take all your capital out from your pocket. So why to welcome those days? Be prepared yourself. Make yourself comfortable. Be confident what you are going to do. So without wasting much time into that, let me start introducing my plan to you, and later on I will discuss the rest part of this video. I think I am giving you right kind of information you are looking for in my last videos and this video also. So kindly help me out by subscribing my channel and don't forget to hit the bell button so that you can see my next videos which I will be uploading every week, once or twice. This is the plan with which I am working with for past couple of years. Keep one thing in mind, that you need to diversify your risk. To diversify your risk, you need to diversify your capital as well. You should not put all your eggs into a single bucket. Some percentage allocation is there for each small strategies. Let it be weekly, monthly or for monthly. For doing that, let me explain you that how we are going to diversify your capital. So in my case, what I have done is, let me assume for the illustration purpose I have 10 lakhs of capital. With the 10 lakhs of capital, the 20% I will be putting it for the weekly option strategies, which is turning out to be a 2 lakhs per weekly option. These 2 lakhs will again get rotated 4 times in a month and give you the certain yield, which I am going to tell you later. On the remaining part, the 60% of the total capital, which is turning out to be 6 lakhs, I am going to put it into monthly options in non-directional strategies like Iron Condor, Iron Fly, etc. The remaining 20%, which is around 2 lakhs, I am going for a directional strategies like calendar spread, cover call, then credit spread, vertical credit spread, etc. But in all the cases, I am only deploying 50% of the total capital. In this first column, you can see out of this 2 lakh, only I am deploying 1 lakh for the strategy and 1 lakh for the trade management, which I am not going to touch unless it is required. In the second column, on the non-directional strategy, I am keeping again 50% reserve for trade management. I am only deploying 3 lakhs for the strategy. And the third column is going to be the same. By doing that, what I am going to achieve is, see, I have diversified my risk into different categories. Suppose my weekly option is not giving proper yield in any of the week, my monthly option will give me yield, or my directional strategy will give me that profit for that particular point. So that's the magic of diversifications of capital and diversification of risk. And the point to be remembered as well, which I told you earlier also, the trade management capital I keep always the 50% of the deployed capital. That will give me a quite heavy cushion during any crisis or during the trade management. That I am trying to keep it in a reserve surplus in a different account. I will take it to the trading account and do the management. Regarding the trade management, there is so much of strategies I can tell you, which is little bit detailed. For the time being, you need to keep that 50% for the trade management, and accordingly you can structure your risk management strategy. Every column is accompanied with the profit expectation for that particular strategies. For example, if you take the column 1, which is weekly options, I have an expectation of 1.5% per week, which is turning out to be 6% per month. Roughly, in the sum, it is going to be 12,000 per month. In the second column, as you can see, the average is 3% per month I am keeping for the worst case scenario, which is turning out to be 18,000 per month. And in the last column, you can see 5% per month an average, which is turning out to be 10,000 per month. Now, if you club these three things together, it is going to be 40,000 per month is the expected monthly income, and that is how you should derive your plan, which is 4% per month, 48% per year I have written, considering all these ups and downs and all these some loss making trades, adjustment, everything together. That is very worst case scenario. But to arrive this 48% per year or 40,000 per month, you need to monitor your trade, you need to manage your trade, you need to keep your surplus cash with you. Whenever it is required, you need to deploy that cash. Without having this plan, without having any trade management, this is not possible to achieve. For illustration purpose only, I am going to show you this 10 lakhs capital, but you can reduce it down to 5 lakhs and make your own plan. This is not mandatory that you only keep 3 columns. You can keep some more columns and you can demonstrate some more strategies there as per your requirement. And this 10 lakh capital only for the illustration purpose, let me tell you once again, it is not mandatory you should have 10 lakhs, you can start with the 5 lakhs capital also. So my suggestion is, before you take up trading as your career or the trading as your sole income source, you must chalk out your plan based on your requirement, what you need it, and then try to implement the plan as you have already chalked it out. Don't deviate from the plan. Try to take much precaution in trade management, in the risk capital. Try to take advice from a person who had been in this industry for a long time. Just don't dump your capital into the options and get lost from there. So these are the steps you can follow, and I'm sure you'll be able to earn consistent income month after month. And finally, let me tell you one thing, this data, whatever I have shown you, it's only applicable to me. You can make your own plan. These data are only for the illustrations purpose. You can make more profit or less profit depending upon your situation, your grip in the trading system, and that will vary from person to person. So don't take this as a Bible, these numbers or figures as a Bible. But one thing I can tell you, I can guarantee you, no other business can give you this much of profit without giving much time into the trade. I mean, any trade you do, any business you do, you need to deploy so much of time. But this much of profit with the consistency, no other business can provide you. Just you need to have little expertise, little bit awareness, little bit control on your trade. You can do wonder. This is how you should approach the option market. Blindly you cannot go out and go for earning money and then lose whatever you have. So plan is mandatory. You have seen how I have made the plan, how I have set the target. So go for it, and gradually you will learn that one fine day how much has to be put into a strategy, how much you need to put it as a reserve surplus, how much you need to put it as your own asset. Earlier I had difficulties in creating option portfolio. I used to buy call option, I used to sell call option, I used to keep futures, I used to make a cover call. But in the normal dealer software, they are just keeping it as a particular trade. Like you can keep call option of Nifty, you can keep call option of Bank Nifty, you can keep put option of Nifty. So it is totally haphazard. So finally one day I realized there is a software from Sensible which is very beneficial for me. There is a terminal called Virtual Trade. So I had taken the help of that virtual trade and I kept my portfolio based on the positions I have taken. Let me give you one example. Suppose I have taken one iron condor. So in the dealer software, if I keep one lot of put option sold, one lot of call option sold, one lot of put option bought, one lot of call option bought, but system is not able to give me for exactly what strategy I have taken those positions. But in the Sensible, I have come across as virtual trade, this particular terminal. There I can easily keep the strategy wise positions, and that from there I can easily monitor my positions, the M2M, the daily profit and loss, etc. Then when to exit after seeing that my target amount I could be able to achieve in a particular day, and I am exiting the trade on that day. So those sort of monitoring is required. For that you need to have a software or system. From Sensible Virtual Trade I have got that type of support which makes my option trading career very easier. Let me show you how I have kept my option portfolio. You can also try it out in the Sensible. There is an option called virtual trade. In this virtual trade, what I am doing is I am creating all my option portfolio position wise. Suppose in the I have taken this is iron condor strategy here. So you can see that sold options and buy option, all these things are kept here, and where I can monitor my unrealized profit and realized profit as well. So there are multiple strategies I kept in the virtual trade to monitor how much M2M, how much profit on the daily basis. You can also try it out. It's not free, I think Sensible is charging something for that. But anyway, it is worth to take, because with that you can always monitor your business, and you can see where you are at any point of time, which strategy to exit, which strategy to continue, all this stuff. I hope you have enjoyed my video. If you do so, forward it to your friend, like it, subscribe my channel, and don't forget to hit the bell button. Without that you can't see my next upload of videos on options and trading and stock market. Till then, keep trading, keep learning, keep selling options, keep enjoying profit. Thank you.